My name is Marshall Duffy Duffield, and I'm the founder and CEO of Duffy Electric Boats. And we make a very different kind of boat. It's battery powered. We're one of the only builders of this product in, well, the United States for sure. And we manufacture the boat in the high desert of Mojave, which is 100 miles away from this facility where we're talking to you right now. So for us to have some method to be at the factory and not be there, if you will, in person is huge. What really excited me about the HDVC system was that with our factory, we make every facet of the boat, from canvas to fiberglass, metal, wood, and these are separated on 6 acres of property by quite a distance. And having this remote camera that can go to the different departments and show me exactly what the problem is or what their suggestion is phenomenal. And just having a camera in an office isn't going to do it for us. One of the surprising elements to the HDVC system was the size of the picture. I mean, typically, yay by yay, like a computer screen, you're going to get what you get, and okay. But this was absolutely shocking to have such a large area of picture, if you will, to visualize with. And that was a surprise to me, that every inch of this huge TV was filled with the clarity. It's just like being there. That's the whole thing. Well, the Panasonic HDVC system, in terms of affordability and cost, of course, was a consideration. But once we were told what we were going to expect to have to budget, it was extremely cheap. We looked at that as, the savings in fuel, just alone driving 200 miles a day. I mean, it didn't take long to figure out this is a huge savings, and anyone can take advantage of this. Once you see it, once you live it, it opens up doors you never thought possible. So it's definitely, I would recommend it to anyone.